Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, can I pay Lazypay using a credit card? And the answer is a definite yes. You can pay using Lazypay. You can pay your Lazypay dues using a credit card. When it's time to repay your Lazypay bill, you can typically find credit card listed among the available payment options alongside methods like debit cards, net banking and UPI actually. It's worth noting that using a credit card or debit card or net banking for repayment or Lazypay may incur a convenience fee. Lazypay themselves suggest using UPI as a payment mode to avoid this fee. Now, to pay your Lazypay bill with a credit card, you will generally follow the steps. You have to go to the Lazypay app or website. Navigate to the section for bill payments or repayment of dues. Select the option to pay outstanding amounts. Choose credit card as your preferred payment mode from the list of options. Enter your credit card details like card number, expiring date, CVV, etc. Complete any necessary authentication steps like entering an OTP sent to your mobile. Then confirm the payment. Always check the available payment options and any associated fee with the Lazypay app or website when you are ready to make a payment.